Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to report someone in Free Fire Max. To report someone on Free Fire Max, first of all, go ahead and tap on the player that you want to report. After finishing a match, you'll see a match results screen. There you'll be able to see a list of players from the match, or if you want to go ahead and report someone from your friends list, go ahead and tap on the two human icons at the top right, and from the game's friend list, go ahead and select one of the contacts. After finding one of the friend you want to report, go ahead and tap on their name and then click on the profile button at the bottom. After you open up their profile, go ahead and click on the exclamatory icon right underneath the profile picture at the middle bottom of the screen, and then you will see the report options. Select one of the region for the report. You can choose from inappropriate name, improper avatar, or improper profile. After selecting one of these options, tap on confirm at the bottom right. The game developers will then review the report and take necessary actions. So that's how you easily report someone that has been inappropriate with you while playing the game. Remember that you should avoid submitting false report, as this can negatively affect your own account. Once the report is submitted, it will be reviewed by the Free Fire team and appropriate action will be taken, such as penalties or bans for the player if they found guilty. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. By hitting the subscribe button, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.